All right, guys, I am at Superbuzzy, and she's getting ready to cut my Queen of Hearts fabric for a special project that's upcoming. But what's cool about this, Superbuzzy is the only store that I know that has done this, and she's divided hers up into panels. So that way you're not getting yardage that's cut directly through the face. So if you're doing fussy cutting, they have actually thought about it for you, so that way you can actually get full heads that make sense on the yardage. So if you guys are still looking for this fabric, if you guys are ever looking for Tula fabric in the future and you want to do some fussy cutting, this might be the best place to purchase it. I just want you guys to see what I've got. I don't have any cut off heads. So again, if this is what you need and you're planning on doing some fussy cutting, which I'm going to be doing in the very near future, I think this would be beneficial. I love that they do this. This is just smart.